Hello everyone, my name is Shreya Kakade and today I am really excited to share my view about Touch DNA, a revolutionary evidentiary DNA forensics. But have you heard about Touch DNA before? What is Touch DNA and how does it give its great impact on nation's justice system? So let's dive into it. A simple meaning of Touch DNA is when we collect a DNA sample and further analyze it to identify a personality. For example, when you touch a book or your phone, you leave behind touch DNA. And this DNA can be collected and analyzed to identify you. Sounds interesting, right? But how do you think this idea have came from? Well, scientists know that humans sheds off thousands of cells every hour naturally. And these cells can be used as a potent genetic material to identify a personality. So in this technique, we collect a DNA sample and then extract the required sequence in laboratory. Further, this sequence is analyzed and the personality is identified. For this technique, we required only small amount of DNA sample. Thus, this technique is also known as trace DNA technique. But always remember, the human skin cell or hand cells are not the only source of sample for touch DNA. But human hair, human sweat, human saliva can also be used as a sample for touch DNA. Now, how do we collect this sample which is not even visible by our naked eyes? For this, there is a very famous technique known as swabbing technique. So in this technique, we use a dry swab and then make it wet with the sterile water or saline. Further, this swab is used to collect the sample from the surface of the object. Now let's understand where does this touch DNA technique is practically applicable. We all have heard about Nirbhaya case in 2012, a horrific gang rape and murder case of an innocent victim from Delhi. The whole country was united to allow justice for this innocent victim, and this case was solved by using touch DNA technique. Sounds interesting, right? Another notable case is a Golden State Killer case where a mysterious man known as D'Angelo have murdered more than 12 innocent victims, and this case was also solved by using touch DNA. Now this is how this technique plays a vital role in collecting all the crucial evidences and linking the suspect with the crime scene. Other than crime investigation, touch DNA technique is also applicable in biomedicine, security domain, archaeology, and many of such fields. Now, like every other field, touch DNA also has its own limitation. For example, personality mixing. When more than one people touches the same object at the same place, it is very difficult for scientists to identify a real suspect. Another drawback of this technique is a false result. When the collected sample is less than the required amount of sample, it is very difficult for scientists to analyze this sample and identify the right result. But I strongly believe that by overcoming all these limitations, one of the best technique in the forensic science is a touch DNA, and its application will definitely lead to establish a crime-free, safe and healthy society. Thank you.